Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Confirm you are logged into the same Google account or phone number used for the backup and enable Vyapar access to Drive. Once done, open Vyapar, tap Menu, then Settings, then Backup and Restore. Now press Restore to see available files. This step tells the app where to fetch your data and why matching accounts matter. Without the same account, the cloud file won't appear, so check that first. Next, select the correct backup file, choose by date so you don't overwrite with an older snapshot. When Vyapar asks for storage or Google Drive permissions, accept them. These allow the app to read the DB or exported file. If a passphrase or PIN was set during backup, enter it now. While restoring, keep the app open and avoid killing it. Progress is shown by a bar or spinner, and interruptions can corrupt the import. When the restore finishes, Vyapar will often prompt to restart. Let it reload so data indexes correctly. Then immediately verify key items, invoice numbers, customer list, and opening balances. This confirms integrity and why verification matters. Make any necessary reconciliations, then re-enable auto backups. If something went wrong, first confirm you used the same Google account and that there's enough storage space. If still failing,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.